everybody and welcome back. I hope you had a great week so far. This video is going to be a beginner-friendly tutorial how to thread your machine and wind a bobbin. So if you're a total beginner or just a little bit out of practice, this is a great video for you. So we all have to start somewhere, and threading your machine properly will be the foundation for creating all your projects. So although the design of the sewing machines differ, most of them follow this basic threading process. It would be a good idea to dig out your manual and look through there as well. But if you're a visual learner like me, this is how I learned to thread my machine. I looked up a video on YouTube. You can create so many projects with sewing machines, but if you're a beginner, it can be pretty overwhelming. So this is a great first step to get you started on your road to becoming a sewing master. And that's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And if you have any questions, please let me know down below and I'll try to answer them. And if you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing to my channel for more. Okay guys, I hope you have a great week. Bye!